Sanbonani, Sanbonani, Sanbonani. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. I hope everyone is having a good weekend on a beautiful Friday like this in South Africa, Johannesburg. Ya sisasephezulu indaba ey'ngane zesithembu Nkosi yami. As we all know ukubana uTirelo got engaged not so long ago. She got engaged not so long ago to ubaba omntanakhe uMpumelelo Mseleku, and oh gosh, it was beautiful. It was such a beautiful engagement. Washo-ke uMpumelelo ukubana hayi uyangifaka noma uyangikhipha. Washo-ke uTirelo wathi hayi-ke uyamfaka Nkosi yami uMpumelelo Mseleku, ubaba omntanakhe uSingababa. So nje we can see ukubana after the engagement everything is going well, and you can see yena uTirelo showing us ukubana hayi she how happy she is, and finally it happened. Nkosi yami. uMpumelelo finally showed some respect kuTirelo and finally put a ring on it. He finally put a ring on it. So as we all know, Bana uTirelo, she's still at school, she's still studying, uyasho-ke ukubana hayi yena-ke she wanna continue doing her own thing, continuing with her studies and continue doing everything else that she was doing before. Indaba-ke yokuyehlala eMzumbe, it's not for her. She's saying bana hayi she does not feel comfortable yet to go and stay in Zumbe because she's still got so much things to do. So we saw also they went on a vacation. She was in Durban, and we also saw Bana uTirelo he has partnered with CeraVe cream and body lotions and so brands are like approaching her. So we can see ukubana hayi izinto ziyaphusheka Nkosi yami, kuyazameka left, right and center. We are all trying to get there, and we're so happy for uTirelo. We are so happy ukubana finally, because everyone had raised eyebrows ukubana how could uMpumelelo go and pay ilobola for uAmahle before he paid ilobola for uTirelo. So the engagement actually it kind of equalizes everything. It shows also Bana uMpumelelo actually does love uTirelo in a way that we all thought ngathi nje uMpumelelo does not love uTirelo as much as he loves uAmahle. So I guess he loves them both. Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.